So we're here in the RCC room, about to demonstrate the app showing multiple screens and sound demo. First, we're going to do a login with an incorrect, incorrect email. And too small of a password. Try to log in and we get an error that's either invalid email or password. Okay. Let's put in a correct email address. We should have more than 7 characters, which is another one. So once we successfully log in, we go to the events page, where we have a couple events: the Halloween party or the fall barbecue. We're at the Halloween party, so we go there, which navigates to this screen, which is the song queue, and this is the song that we have in the queue. Unfortunately, it doesn't play on the Android, so we have to go to the web to demo that. And as you can hear, the song is playing, and I can navigate back to the events page and back to the login. Thank you for your time.